student. Today we will discuss about the prime numbers. Prime numbers means twin prime numbers. If they are twin prime number or not. So what is the twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers are prime numbers whose difference is 2. For example, suppose 5 and 7. Next maybe 11 and 13. You know what is the prime number? Prime number, those numbers are the they can divide by itself or 1. Okay, these are the prime numbers. But twin prime numbers, those numbers have the difference of the 2. That is called the twin prime numbers. So now we will make our program of the twin prime numbers. So then first of all you will write the comment program to check twin prime number. Okay, according to the question we can write. Okay, now we have to import the package, import java.util.star. okay, and you can write here scanner also. You can write, suppose you can write here scanner also. java.util and .util.scanner. Okay, now what we have to do? Now we have to make the class twin number. Okay, you can write any twin prime number वगैरह. Then open brace. Then we have to use the main function public static void main string args argument function and then close. Now open brace. Now we have to use the scanner function. Okay, scanner function, you know, scanner n is equal to new scanner system dot n. You know what is the function of the system dot n? It will accept the value from the keyboard. Okay, now we have to use the output statement for giving the numbers. System dot out dot print enter the number, enter the first number. You can write anything. Enter, suppose first number, one number, first number. Clear? Now you will store the value of the first number. You are taking the integer type of the data without decimal. Then you will write here int. You can take any values. First number, you can write n1 is equal to in dot next integer function. Clear? You can write a number, b number, c number. For example, suppose you will be confused, so I will be taking here a, integer a. Okay, now next, after that we have to take the another number. So for the another number, we will write again output statement system dot out dot print enter second number, or you can write here enter a number, enter b number also. Now you will store the value of the b number, integer. We will take here variable b. B is equal to in dot next integer function. Now you took the two numbers, any two numbers for the till here. For giving the numbers, we have made this program. Now what we have to do? Now we have to check the numbers. So we are taking the boolean type of the data. Means they will give the answer in the true and false. They will check. Boolean. Boolean is prime number is prime is equal to true. Suppose the value of the prime number is true, then semicolon. So then what happens? Means we have to use the loop, for loop, for. Now we have to give the loop integer, the value of the loop we will define here. Suppose we are taking the variable I is equal to. Now what will be the value of the I? We are taking the value of the I is 2. I is 2, and then I is less than equal to A divided by 2. Means the value of the I will be start from the 2. Okay. Now it will be increase, then open brace. Now if A module by 2, this is a condition, one condition is given, divide by 2, so then it will be the increase 1 by 1, it will check. And if A modulo by 2 and the value of this equal to 0, so then open brace. So is prime number is prime false, number false, and then bracket. Clear? And then close, and this also close, because it will check the numbers, it is prime or not. It will divide by A. Suppose you giving the 15 या 5 या any number, so then it will be divide. If it will you will get the 0, so then what happen? Not it. Then after that what we have to do? Now if is prime is, you can take here any variables, is prime, and next क्या होगा? Math dot absolute value we will use here, math dot abs correct value, because we have to take the difference also, because 5 minus 7 minus 2, difference is 2. So for the difference we have to use here a minus b. A minus b. Clear? And then difference will be equal to 2. Then open brace. Now boolean is prime. Suppose the boolean is prime, difference is 2, it will check, so then true, then semicolon. Now what we have to do? We have to use another loop. We have to use the another loop for second digits, because program is saying 2 is prime number. That is the condition for the A. Now the second numbers. So then second numbers we have to use here for b is equal to 2 semicolon, b is less than equal to b divided by 2 and b is increase. Clear? Now open brace. Now what you have to do? After that, same it will check if b module by 2 equal to how much? 0. And then again curly brackets, means block will be closed. So is the prime. So now it will give the I am writing here. So now is prime is equal to false, So now program will break. Clear? Now after that, same, it will be closed. These two curly brackets will be closed. Now what we have to do? Now if, what is if? If is prime, so then suppose it is the prime number, so then it will print. So then system dot out dot print ln, what it will print? A and B. A and B. A and B. Sorry, A and B, and should be in double quotes, and A and B. What will be the A and B? Are the twin prime number. Are the twin prime number. Means if they are the prime number, so then it will say these are the prime numbers and double quotes. Else system dot out dot print ln A and B are what is not twin prime number, not twin prime number. Clear till here? Now maybe condition both are not, A and B are not twin prime numbers, else means A and B are not prime number, and then it will be close. Now what will be the output? Now we will check the output, how output will come of this program. Now, so first of all, it will give us this message: enter the first number, enter, which is written by you, enter first number. Suppose you have written here colon, so then it will show the colon. Okay. Now suppose you have given the first number value is 5. So then we will check it is prime number or not. No. First of all, we have to give the value of the both variables which is defined by you, A and B. And now it will say the next, enter second value, your second number. Suppose you have given here the value of the second number, you can give any number, suppose 7. Now means it will check if the difference of this prime number is 2, and then it will check if these digits have the factor of 1 or itself. So then it will print the message. What will be the print the message? Means both numbers, message is given A and B. A, the value of the A is 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are prime number. Twin prime number, sorry. We can write twin or twin prime number. Okay, so like this output it will display. I think you understand well how we can make the program for the twin prime number by using the nested loop. Okay, all the students are understand well. Okay, thank you.